Hey everybody, thank you for checking this video out today. My name is Dan C. Bearded. Many of my subscribers for a long time now have called me the trusted teacher for all things beard related. In today's video, I want to go over something beard related, and that would be the all-natural beard growth oil by 8-Bit Beard Co. Now, this is something that I had the ability to kind of help along the process, give a little bit of feedback for. I by no means made this or was like any big role in it. However, the owner, Sean of 8-Bit Beard Co., is a very intelligent, very caring, and just overall knowledgeable guy who really made a great product. And so what I want to talk about today is kind of the science behind it, the benefits of this, and just kind of realistic perspective, because let's be real. I don't have areas that I need help with growth with, but there are studies. There are different things we can put together to help you make an informed decision if this is something we're trying, or maybe it's just not for you. If that sounds good to you guys today, please hit a thumbs up on the video, aka the like button. You guys are amazing. So to jump in, let's establish what this is. All natural ingredients, carriers, and then also with the essential oils to help you have a chance to wake up dormant hair follicles. If you have an area of your beard that seems like it's weaker than the other areas, maybe it's a patch on your mustache, maybe you got weaker cheeks, this could give you a chance to see new hair growth there or developed hair growth, right? They can go from what we would call like baby hairs. We could throw out terms like vellus and all these things, but baby hairs into like strong permanent hairs. Now, on the surface, a lot of people like to dismiss this. They're like, it's all scams, it's all this or that. No, listen, there's actual studies. Now, if you have an area where there are no hairs at all, meaning it is bald, there's no follicle below the surface, we can't help you. If you start like dousing this on your forehead, you're not going to get anything. If you start rubbing it into your palms like you do with beard oil, you don't have hair follicles here, so you're not going to grow. But if you have a spot, and for whatever reason, it could have been trauma as a child, your brother hit you with a bat, or you had a chemical burn, or even stress, or even just genetics, right? There's a whole lot of factors, pollution, I could go on forever. There are spots, there are patches of beards that can start to get new growth, and it really comes down to this. Now, I've covered other growth oils in the past, some that I do recommend, some that I just didn't really believe in. They felt cheaper, they felt like it might not have been something that was worth investing in. Now, here's where the real benefit of a company like this. This is small batch. I know who makes this. I know that he cares about the highest quality of ingredients. It's not coming from a shipping container in China and then sitting in a warehouse for months. This is fresh and this is quality. And again, you have an owner that is knowledgeable and caring behind the scenes. So I just want to make sure I hit that before people are like, how is this different from this big growth oil that's not as good? It is all the care and knowledge in the world when it comes to this. Now, this is an affiliate, right? As always, we want to be transparent in the video and in the description. So if you guys want to try this, I do have a discount code for you guys. It is DANC10. Save you guys 10% off. It does support the platform here. But again, that comes with me being able to help, being able to give feedback and saying, try this, ooh, not this. And this was a process. The owner wanted to try a whole bunch of different things, and some of them just didn't work because it wasn't water soluble, and we could get into the weeds on that. But he came up with an unbelievable blend, and I'd like to go over that a little bit here. So here are the ingredients, and then there's even more on the website, and I highly encourage you to check out the website. While that's on the mind, in the comments, without looking, can anybody guess why he went with the gaming capital G here? And all I'm going to do is say I'm not a gamer. I do kind of know the story behind this because Sean told me, but I don't know the game. I don't know any of that. So what I'll do is see if you guys can guess down in the comments. I'd be surprised if you did, if you put the connection together of why it's this. But if not, check out his website. He has a full write-up on the story behind it, and he'll do a much more accurate job of doing that. Anytime I talk about something I don't really know, like gaming, people are like, Dan, actually, like, I just don't know that stuff. But check out the website. This will help you go over there and see what's going on anyway. So yes, they have this story on the website, but also linked studies to so many of these ingredients that are peer-reviewed medical scientific studies. Go check that out. Those don't lie. All right, here are the ingredients that we have. Pumpkin seed oil, castor oil, squalene oil, avocado oil, coffee bean extract, and then essential oil blend. Now, let's break down what some of these ingredients do. And we have other ones that I try not to ever dismiss, such as castor. Castor doesn't have the most amount of like studies done on it. It doesn't have the peer-reviewed medical study that says it does this, but a lot of us know women that use castor on their eyebrows. A lot of us can look up stories of generations passing down the hair growth properties of castor. And I'm not one to dismiss generational anecdotal evidence. I'm not one to say, hey, they're wrong, because what happens, and a lot of us know this, is we have all these legends that are passed down, these generational like teachings, and then later science catches up and figures out it's true. Just think about like extinct animals, and you'll see like a tribe that says, no, we have this animal, and we're like, yeah. And then there is one. Right? I try not to dismiss those things, even though I do love my medical studies. But some that do have medical studies that you guys can find, first one is pumpkin seed oil. The most potent ingredient in this bottle is proven to have a chance to create new hair growth, even in comparison to minoxidil. Again, study in the description. Also, coffee beans. Coffee bean extract is the most natural form of caffeine. That was really important to Sean. He didn't want to go with more artificial or synthetic routes. He went straight up natural caffeine. And if you know anything about caffeine, it's an accelerant. It's going to stimulate the blood flow, bringing the nutrients to the source or the hair follicle where we really need it. Boom. And then we get into some of the essential oils. And he does have some in there that are great for skin, great for aromatherapy, but aren't always dedicated to hair growth just to make it smell good. But some that are. Peppermint essential oil. Lavender essential oil. Cedarwood essential oil. All three of those have at least a study. Some of them have more. Again, linked on the website. All of these things are going to give you a chance. Now, notice something that I did not say, and 8-Bit did not say or put on their website. It's not guaranteed. This is not magic. That's not like a 365-day money-back guarantee and you get the... It'll give you a chance. I know lots of guys who have used natural growth oils, whether they made their own or they went with a reputable company like this, and they have had actual results. They've took before pictures and after pictures, and it worked. Now, to be fair, I do know guys that didn't, and maybe it just wasn't in their genetic cards. Maybe they weren't consistent with the application. Maybe they weren't doing other aspects. Who knows? There's a lot of variables there, but this one, number one, it smells great, and you can apply it like a normal beard oil, you guys, throughout the whole beard, which is fantastic. You can, even if I took the growth off of this, you could use this as a great beard oil. Or if you have a spot where there is an issue, the patch, you can apply it there, wait a couple of minutes for it to do its job, and then apply your normal beard oil. You can do beard butter after. It's just kind of like a normal oil. I would say it's on the heavier side of medium. I don't think it's a full-blown thick. I actually have it on my skin right now because I applied before this video. It smells fantastic. It's a pepperminty, lavender, earthy, kind of fresh scent, right up my alley. So I will use this regardless. I figure what's the worst that can happen? It strengthens my hair follicles. I smell great and look great. Awesome. So that's what we have going on here. I know I'm just kind of throwing a lot at you guys, but everything's just kind of processing in my brain and kind of getting all that info out to you. It does go for $24.99, right? You have some quality ingredients here, the highest sourcing, lots of research behind this, and that discount code should help you guys out as well. All right, I did take a couple of notes here just to make sure I covered myself. Let me see here. Check, check, check. Bam, nailed it, you guys. Let me know down below. What are your questions on this? I know you might have questions. I'm an open book. I am as transparent as it get. Just be prepared for a real answer, right? Sometimes people ask questions they don't want to hear the answer to. I will answer you. 8-Bit is usually very active in the comments as well. They have great customer service. Give them a chance, guys, if it's something you're looking for. I'm very proud of what they made here, and I know it can help out a lot of guys. Thank you for watching today. Dan C. Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.